Welcome people, welcome. Let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Today, fake token is on rise. Fake token is currently massively increasing price. It's about 11.20% increase in price already in the past 24 hours. 11.20%. Wow. Fake token just got listed by Baby Swap, and I believe very soon this coin will continue to increase in price. But I think they still need to focus mostly in the area of burning fake token. Feed every gorilla. Now, burning fake token will help this coin to gain more, and I also think they need to run a social media and offline campaign. They need to copy what Floki Inu did. If fake token can run a campaign, an offline campaign, if fake token will get a lot of people to know more about fake token, this coin is going to increase. Of course, there are some exchanges, top exchanges that have listed this coin. So if you want to buy fake token, of course you can buy it on get.io. You can buy fake token on BigX. You can buy fake token on Uniswap and other crypto exchanges. Now with get.io alone, the first time when get.io just listed fake token, I was very happy to see get.io listing fake token, because they are one of the top crypto exchanges. Listing fake token will definitely help this coin to really grow. Fake token where it is today, I think so many exchanges that listed this coin also help fake token to get to where they are today. With over $53 million market cap, fake token is going to hit over 100 million or $200 million market cap before the end of this year, and that will help this coin to gain about 100 to 500% increase in price. But with fake token can still increase more than this, but it all depends. But for me, I think before the end of 2025 2027, fake token might be hitting about 100,000 or 1,000,000% increase in price. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can you do your own research.